Welcome to CIU Labs, an initiative of Cambridge Intercontinental University. Imagine a year where hackers went wild and security teams were on red alert 24/7. Yep, that's 2024 for you. Let's dive into the top cybersecurity threats of 2024. In June, Unit 42 researchers uncovered attackers exploiting public Cobalt Strike profiles. These clever hackers adapted malleable C2 profiles to dodge detection. Fast forward to November, and Chinese state-sponsored Tag 112 was busy targeting Tibetan websites, distributing malware disguised as security certificates, and unleashing Cobalt Strike beacons for surveillance. Come December, Australian banking apps fell prey to sophisticated malware attacks. Fake CRM apps lured victims into installing Antidote Banker malware, stealing valuable banking and cryptocurrency credentials. And who could forget the massive DDoS attack on DIN in October? The Mirai botnet turned IoT devices into a digital army, causing widespread internet disruption. 2024 was a wild ride in the world of cybersecurity, with threat actors using everything from beacons to malware C2 channels. Stay alert and stay safe. Until next time, keep those firewalls strong and your passwords stronger.